In this video, we will show you a surprisingly easy way to make money straight from Google. We will teach you how to make up to $250 in just a few minutes by using Google. We know that most of you watching our video today use Google in your daily life, but we bet you didn't know you could make a lot of money. We also know that a lot of the big-time people out there truly hate us because they are making so much money off of today's message and they don't want other people to know about the little secret. But because we discovered today's method, we are going to share it with you right now because we want you to earn money as we do, and that's why we're even here in the first place. Today's method is no joke because, as you all know, we only serve you 100% on this channel. Make sure you watch the entire video from start to finish so you don't get confused about today's method, and make sure you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, chances are you won't get the desired results. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step in today's strategy is to open your usual browser and put in start.askWonder.com. This is what you should see next on your screen. Basically, what this website provides is a chance for us to become researchers. As you can see, this website is effortless and flexible. It has a fast turnaround in a way that this website works while you sleep, combining quality with speed and a proprietary process to get what you need pronto. There is an unlimited scale on this website, 6,000 plus analysts available at the push of a button. Now, this website enables massive scale for the most challenging and sizable projects, and of course, this website claims to be hassle-free. It says you ask and we take care of the rest. We assemble an ATM on the fly so you don't have to find a train or manage anyone. This website has been around for many years and they have worked with a lot of very big brands over the years, as you can see over here. So this is definitely legit. So basically, we are going to show you two ways to work this website. So we are going to show you a simple way, and then we are going to show you the smart play, which is the way that all of the big earners coming from this method follow to make such a killing income, literally hundreds of dollars in 10 minutes and 20 minutes. It is such a very big income in a very short amount of time, and we are going to be discussing all of that in today's video. Basically, the way this website works is that there are people out there who want to know or learn certain things but are too lazy to do their own research, which is where you come in and how you will earn your $250 and even more. The first thing we want you to do to begin the entire money-making process through this website is to sign up. Go ahead and click on Become a Researcher, which should be in the upper right corner of your screen. After you do that, you should be led to this page. As you can see, it says, Earn money using your brain. Work when you want and learn, expand your resume and your mind. Now join our community today. This is a 5-minute application, so it won't take up much of your time. So go ahead and provide your first and last name, your email address, a password, and the city that you live in. Once you have filled all of the sign-up details being asked, go ahead and confirm that you are not a robot by clicking on the box and then agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on Start Application. Scroll down on the web page that we are currently on. You can see the 4 main steps on how this website works. Number 1 is that after you sign up, you should visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. Number 2 is that you will be assigned a request to work on. Number 3, you are going to then find answers or resources and then synthesize your findings. And number 4, submit your work and celebrate your earnings. So don't worry, we will walk you through all of the stages. We will also throw in some tips and tricks here and there to triple your income. So be sure to pay careful attention and watch the entire video if you want to learn about all of those tips and tricks. If you are loving this video so far, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe whether there you haven't already, as well as hit the notification bell to be alerted every time we release a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now, while you are on your homepage, scroll down till you see this and you will see some sample research that you could be given when you are officially working. Now, we want you to choose from any of these examples, whatever it is that you like, okay? This is just a demonstration. Now, we are going to choose this and then highlight and copy it. Once you've copied it, we want you to open up google.com and then paste that question on the search bar and then hit search. It's that simple. Now, any questions you may have may be based on Google and then searched up there to find the answer. Now, as you can see, there are many answers to the question. So what you want to do is investigate the first results and then copy important information from the census that answers the question and then paste it all on one document. And we want you to paste all of that on Google Docs. And then this is where you should paste all of the information that you have that comes from the 10 results or sources that we were just talking about earlier. Once you've done everything we just instructed you to do and you believe you are ready, you may submit and earn anywhere from $20 to hundreds of dollars for doing so. So if you return to our main page and go to the example research, you can actually click on see over here and see what the answers or research should look like if you were to start on your own. So you will see a lot of information answering the question being asked, and whatever you see over here is how you should create your submissions as well. A lot of information, but most importantly, it answered the main question, which is the most important thing to remember. Basically, all of the questions that you may encounter, the way you're going to answer those questions so that you will get paid is all through Google. It is as simple as copy pasting. Literally, you can get all of this there to get some more input. But once you understand all of that, you are pretty much set. Just make sure that all of the information that would be helpful to the question being asked should be included in your submission as much as possible. Take note of the format of the sample research since you need to follow it as much as possible. But that is basically all you need to know to get started on this amazing money-making method that will actually have you earning hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you are consistent with it. This is a simple way to do it and the one that requires you to actually do the work yourself. But if you really don't want to do the work that is needed but still want to earn from today's method, we recommend that you go to microworkers.com and hire someone to gather your data and do all of the research for you. And then just pay them around $1 or $2 and they would be more than willing to do that. As long as you pay them, of course, and just like that, you are making roughly $100 by having someone else do the job for you and only having to pay those people you hired a few dollars from the rest of the $100 that you are getting today. That is working smart, and that is what we want you to do. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.